I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I want to talk to you a little bit about plumbing riser diagrams and why they're so complex. And guess what? I can draw yours. Let's get started. So here I'm on a plumbing job here in Greenville, Maine. This is a 4-inch stack we had to put in. We had to tie in down here to the existing building drain underneath the gravel. This is a 4x2Y that's going to take care of boiler condensate. There's a clean out. You come up the stack. You come around here. There's some Ys. We had to throw a Y off for a sink in a breakfast area. This is the loop vent for the kitchen sink. Here's the washing machine. 4-inch pipe continues. Look at this. We keep going down, down, down. Look at this big 4x3Y here. Because over here we pick up another bathroom here on the first floor. And then that stack there goes up right here. Here's a stack that goes up to a second floor bathroom. It gets better. All right, here's a 3x2Y that services a master bathroom sink, and then it goes over here to a sink way up on the second floor. Here is a Y that's going to take care of the master bathroom tub and shower. Here's the master bathroom toilet right here. And of course this is the vent for the toilet. So see how complex it is? You think you could do that? You know the pipe sizes? I doubt it. See how complex it is? Plumbing's not as easy as you think, and I know you need a riser diagram to get your plumbing permit. I can do it. I've got the phone number in the video description. I'm the best price in the United States. Go ahead, call me. I'm happy to do your plumbing riser diagram. I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder, and I've been a master plumber since 1981. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.